Turning now to the crisis at the border, where President Biden predicts it will be chaotic for a while as pandemic-related restrictions end tomorrow, including Title 42. Tens of thousands of migrants are gathering at the southern border in that anticipation. A state of emergency was issued in El Paso last week for a possible border surge.
President Biden says the U.S. is working with Mexican officials to help asylum seekers, possibly sending migrants to other countries first. Meanwhile, the White House is also working on new policies to cut down on illegal border crossings while giving migrants a legal path to enter the U.S. It would require them to apply online, have a sponsor in the U.S., and pass a background check. In addition to Title 42, America's COVID-19 public health emergency is set to end tomorrow.
This could impact several pandemic-era rules, including travel, federal assistance programs, and even more. Denise Middleton joins us in the newsroom this morning, breaking everything down for you. Good morning to you, Denise.
Oh, good morning. This change comes days after the World Health Organization announced COVID-19 no longer qualifies as a global health emergency. So the biggest impact will be the end of free coronavirus tests for both at-home and clinical tests, which of course affects people's ability to get timely COVID diagnosis. For those on Medicaid, at-home tests will be covered at no cost through September of 2024. Also expiring on Thursday, vaccine requirements for federal workers and federal contractors. International travelers will no longer need to show proof of vaccination to enter the U.S. And certain administrative rules that help people receive supplemental nutrition assistance or SNAP benefits will end. Also, stricter regulations on medical care go back into place. But the Biden administration says the country is ready for the changes.
Over the last 2 years, the administration has made significant progress in ability to manage COVID-19 in a way that protects life and health and no longer meaningfully disrupts our lives.
Well, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services says access to COVID-19 vaccines and certain COVID treatments will not be affected when the health emergency ends tomorrow. Reporting live in the newsroom, Denise Middleton, Fox 26 News.